I am baking up a savory twist on a traditional recipe. It's my Tomato Jam Rugelach, a homemade herby tomato jam rolled up in a cheesy, flaky dough that bakes into a bite that is like major pizza energy. It's so good. I'm starting with my tomato jam. I've got a can of whole peeled tomatoes, even though I'm gonna break them up into little pieces because the whole tomatoes are the best quality, the best flavor. So I'll get in here with my hands and just have this sensory experience. Did I just get that on my shirt? This is why my entire wardrobe is dark, so that I can splatter tomatoes everywhere. I'll scoop in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. So even though this is a savory jam, the sugar will caramelize and allow the jam to thicken. I almost think of this jam like a fancier ketchup. In the way that ketchup is sweet but is a savory food, this jam has that same vibe. A half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a little bit of crushed red pepper for heat, and then I'll toss in 8 sprigs of fresh thyme to infuse this jam with cozy herbaceousness. I'll stir this around and bring it to a boil. Okay, now that this is boiling, I'll reduce the temperature so that it simmers and allow it to go for about 1.5 hours until it thickens up into a beautiful, glassy, jam-like consistency. And then I'll stick it in the fridge to cool while I make my dough. Flour, sugar, salt, and Parmesan, butter and cream cheese, and eggs. Then wrap it up and chill in the fridge. To shape the rugelach, I'll roll the dough out into a wide rectangle. You could use store-bought pie dough too. I'm ready to jam. Spread my cooled tomato jam all over, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Brush it with egg wash to act like glue. Then roll it up tight and finish with more egg wash and everything bagel seasoning. Then slice. You reveal this really pretty swirl. And bake at 375 degrees for 20 minutes until they're golden. Knock, knock. Who's there? Get the rugelach out of the oven. Okay. These look great. They're golden, the swirl baked up so nicely. I'm smelling that tomato. Okay, I'll plate these up. Rugelach looks so pretty piled up. I love the way that the outside of rugelach is a little bit crispy, but the inside stays soft. Okay, I think I have to taste one. I've been looking forward to these since last Hanukkah. Oh yeah. These are so flaky and crunchy on the outside, still a little soft on the inside. Totally a savory cookie, but also kind of sweet from that jam. These are my new favorite Hanukkah cookie.